A very good morning to all dear students. I hope the journey through the fair was quite interesting and the history even more. Let's recall what we have learned in the first session and then dive into today's session. Tarnetar Fair is attended by thousands of people from our country and abroad. A traditional fair celebrating Draupadi Swayamvara is organized at the Trinetreshwar Mahadev temple, which was constructed in the 19th century. It is a 3-day festival that dates back to the Solanki era. Inside the temple, there is Brahmakund, Shivkund and Vishnukund, and it is believed that taking a plunge into these 3 water reservoirs is equivalent to taking a dip in the waters of the holy Ganga river. To have a unique experience in Gujarat, Tarnetar Mela is a perfect bet, centered around tribal men and women seeking marriage partners. So, let's dive into today's session. This fair is held for 3 days every year during the Hindu calendar dates of Bhadrava Sud 4th, 5th and 6th, that is during the Gregorian calendar months August and September. So usually this fair is held in the month of August and September whenever Bhadrava Sud 4th, 5th and 6th is there. The Tarnetar Fair is held 8 kilometers from the town of Thangarh in Surendranagar district. This is the nearest railway station on the Ahmedabad-Hapa Broad Gauge line. The nearest town with road transportation to other places is Chotila, 25 kilometers from Thangarh, which is connected by ST buses from Rajkot, which is 75 kilometers, Jamnagar, which is 162 kilometers, Ahmedabad, which is 196 kilometers, or Porbandar, which is 252 kilometers. From Bhavnagar, Chotila can be reached either via Rajkot, a trip of 264 kilometers, or via Botar, a shorter journey of 190 kilometers. Chotila, Thangarh and Tarnetar well connected by ST buses and other modes of transportation. The nearest airport is Rajkot, which is 75 kilometers away. So this is the way you can reach Tarnetar Fair. It is only 8 kilometers from the town of Thangarh, which is in the Surendranagar district and which is near to Chotila. So if you reach Chotila, from there you can easily reach Tarnetar Fair. The Kolis of Saurashtra initiated the custom of embroidering umbrellas, which are exquisitely elaborate in terms of embellishments. The embroidery of each is unique and rises from the edges all the way to the top, with beadwork and patchwork in the design as well. Small colorful handkerchiefs are attached all around the edge to attract further attention. These men spread over a year embroidering their umbrellas. Their intention is to entice the girls with their art, clothes and headgear and impress them so that they can propose them for marriage. It is not surprising that before the fair is over, they usually meet the lady of their choice. So, the Kolis of Saurashtra have set up a trend of embroidering umbrellas which go hand in hand with their ethnic waistcoats filled with beadwork and patchwork. The umbrellas are attached all over the edges with colorful handkerchiefs. The men spend a lot of their time embroidering these umbrellas as through them they would be impressing and seeking their life partners. This fair usually brings out people dressed in their best traditional costumes, where young women and men look up for their perfect life partners. So, dear children, with this we come to the end of this chapter. Thoroughly go through the video, read the chapter from the textbook. Whatever is given in the PDF, write it down in your notebooks. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.